guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Choreo. If you are new to my channel, I am a licensed physiotherapist, a personal trainer, and a dance pro. I occasionally host sensual dance workshops for women, which are aimed at getting that woman to tap into her sexy feminine energy. So we're gonna get started today. I have been showing you different ways of walking up and broking out on the road. Now, if you do not know yet, I, Choreo, will be going to Trinidad Carnival 2023 for the first time. Well, yes, for the first time because it's 2023, but in life. I've never been to a Trinidad Carnival. So I've done it in Jamaica several times, but this will be my first time in Trinidad. And I've been teaching persons how to prepare for Carnival for years. And can you imagine? I've never been to the Mecca, the home, the heart of Caribbean Carnival, and I'm finally doing it, and I am so happy. So this week, I'm teaching you how to do twerking, and I'm not just going to show you, okay, this is how you twerk. I'm going to show you 3 different ways of twerking. So there is one that involves a twist, there's one that involves a whine, and there's one that just drop it like it's hot. So there's 3 different ways of doing it, and you can choose what level you want to do it, meaning if you want to stand up and do it, bend over and do it, or if you want to go all the way down to the ground and do it. The choice is yours, but I'm going to show you 3 techniques that are pretty effective. I do them myself and I know you're going to enjoy them. So stick around and let's get this started. All right, sexy girls, sexy divas, if you're a queen, big up yourself. So the first thing we're going to be learning how to do is a twist twerk. Now the twist twerk is pretty much what we do when we're doing things like a 630 typically. 630 is when you come all the way down here and you're doing a twist. So this movement is bringing the legs or moving the hips, rocking them in a twist-like motion. Now right now I'm exaggerating it, right? So that's what I'm doing, but I'm doing the micro version of this. So if I turn to the side, the bottom, the derriere is always kind of hoisted back, like you give yourself like a little BBL if you don't have one naturally, and you get into the movement like so. If I turn to the back, again, BBL, cock it up, arch in the lower back and just twist. Again, this is an exaggeration of what we actually are going to be doing. All right, so I'm gonna do this real time and I want you to do it with me. So the pace is just gonna be like this. So I stand in the central position here and ground the feet. I'm doing without shoes for this particular tutorial. If you want to put on shoes, that's fine. It's the same motion, right? You just plant the feet and make sure you have a good grip. Okay, so here we go. So I just get into the motion and start to connect my mind to my booty and I just jiggle. And right away, I'm feeling my legs, my thighs, from my knees right up to here, getting some jiggle in. So it's a lower extremity movement, and really and truly, you just need to practice. Just need to practice is all you need to do. Turning to the side, again, cock the body back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here. What you want to think about as you do this is controlling the movement so that you're not just kind of flinging all over the place, right? You want to be doing it so that it looks effortless, okay? So again, from the side, twisting, you try to twist from in the hip, not the knees, in the hip. The hips are the core of the movement, okay? So here we go. And so the knees are relaxed as well, but I could kind of do that where I keep the knees straight and just focus the movement on the hip. So if I turn my back, right, I'm going to do it with relaxed knees, and then I'm going to do it with straight knees. All right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Relaxed knees here. and then straighten knees. Okay, so the thing is, you can play around with each of them. What I'm going to show you now is how you can take that same twist into what is referred to as a puppy tail, just to show you different levels of how you can, you know, stylize this for yourself while you're walking up on the road. You can do it in a puppy tail, or you can do it in a 630. So these movements may have different names in different parts of the world, but in Jamaica, which is where I am, the 876, yes ma'am, this is how we do what is known as the puppy tail or the 630, okay? So here, it's the same movement, it's just that we're now bending the knees, right? Bending the knees and twisting. So it's still twisting, it's just that now the knees are a lot more involved, right? So here we go, 3, 2, 1. I turn my back, 3, 2, 1. All right, I could turn to the side, 3, 2, 1. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing is going over into a 630. So you could actually carry it into a 90-degree or all the way down into a 630. All right, so whatever you do, make sure you do it to your comfort level. If you're not comfortable, then you're definitely not going to be confident. All right, so let's try this. 3, 2, 1. Go into a 90-degree. So you can start a twist from here, and then you slowly start to move over, 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 over. All right, so for some persons, it's less effective when you go up. The further down you go, is the harder it is to shake. If that's you, you can do one of two things: avoid it altogether, or just keep practicing, baby. All right, so those are two ways. Two ways you can change up the style of the twist twerk, right? So remember, the technique is twisting. You can take twisting however you want to. You can take it down, take it up, take it over to the side, right? But that's just one way of getting your booty jiggling. So that's number one. Let's go to number two, twerk technique. All right, my babies. So the next twerk technique that is quite popular for a lot of persons, I've seen African Americans do it. I've seen Caribbean people do it. I've seen this one quite a bit. It's just, you're just gonna whine and get the booty jiggling, okay? This is a twerk technique that I've seen a lot. So let's try to do it, okay? So I'm gonna stand up and do it. I'm gonna draw up my booty shorts a little bit, okay? So for here, you're gonna go around, drop, around, drop. And I've done this on here before, okay? So you can just call this like an updated twerk tutorial, right? Because I've done this one before and I've done the twist one before, but I don't think I've done, I probably have. But anyway, putting them all together and it's an updated twerk tutorial. So let's go. We go. Around, drop, around, drop, around, drop, around, drop. And the aim is to try to get the booty cheeks moving. All right, so it's whining, dropping, whine, drop. Right? Whine, drop, whine, drop. At the end of your whine, you're dropping. So you're flinging the booty back, back, dropping it, dropping it. Fling up, drop. Okay? So of course, as I did a while ago, you can bend over with it and you can keep it standing up. So when I stand up, I don't know, when I do this and hold my hands up overhead, I'm able to control the movement a little better, right? So if I'm here, right, I'm here, I hold it up, and then I go down. When I go down, I hold on, twerk hands, put the hands in versus out. I try to put them in, keep them clean, and then the booty cocks up like that. Drop, 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 drop. All right, so that's the second twerk technique. And we're going now to the final one. So we have the twist, we have the draw, we have the circle, and then we're gonna do the final one, which is a drop it like it's hot. Here we go. Okay, babes. So the final outfit twerk and walk up on the road is a drop it like it's hot. Everybody has seen drop it like it's hot. To me, it's the easiest one to do. To me, it requires the least amount of coordination. And to me, anybody and them grandmother can do this one. Okay? Even babies have done this one. So literally all it is a series of lifting the booty up and dropping it down. Lifting it up, dropping it. In the Caribbean, we say fling it back, bounce it back, and then drop it down. Yeah? So you go up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back. Again, back way, back way, back way. You go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hey, back, da, 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 da. Okay, so clearly I just did the drop it like it's hot, and then I moved into the twist. All right. So here's what we can do, my babies. We're gonna do all three techniques standing upright, okay? And then we're going to do them adding a little bend in the knees, or just kind of change up the style a little bit. So guided by my voice, I'll just kind of watch and see what I do in terms of the styling. I'll try to segue into each of them slowly. So let's start first and foremost with a twist. So I'm gonna do 4 facing forward, and because I'm full of energy and life and I'm ready for the road, I'm gonna do a big jump, and I'm gonna continue my twist that way, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other steps. All right, so are you ready? Play your favorite soca music, soca or dancehall workout music, whichever one you feel is best. For me personally, it'll be soca because we're in soca season right now, so play soca music, your favorite one. I'm gonna try to do like a regular 1, 2, 3, 4 pace, right, in my head. I can't play, music on here because I can't bother with the copyright strikes. Like, I can't bother with people demonetizing my videos, and then, nah, I'm not with that. I'm not with that. So here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, twisting. 3, 2, 1, 4, 4. 1, 2, get ready. 3, 4, we jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump. Now we're going down into the twist. Not twist, the circle. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last but not least, we have the drop it like it's hot. 3, 2, 1, and jump. 2, 3, 4, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we go. So now we're gonna stylize. Girl, I'm not gonna pretend. I am tired. So let's not do the jump the second time. This time around, I'm kind of winded. So let's not do, I don't think my afro can take any more jumps. So we're gonna do the twist, and we're gonna go over. Then we're gonna do the circle, and I'm gonna go over. And then we're gonna do the drop it like it's hot, and we're gonna go side, side. All right, and let's do 8 of each. So we're ready. Twisting, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twisting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give again. I certainly hope that this tutorial was useful. If anything, I know you gotta work out. So remember to hydrate. This has been the third in my whole walk up on the road. We're getting ready for Trinidad Carnival 2023. I'm your girl, Choreo. If you like what you see, please subscribe, share, comment, like this video. I love you guys.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump.